Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to unblock someone on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Open the TikTok app, move to the inbox, select any of the person which is blocked here. Hold on that person's chat. You can see here unblocked. It means that person is blocked here. Click on unblock and now select the unblock. That person will be unblocked from your TikTok profile. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.